When the visuals in your video align perfectly with the narration, it enhances communication and improves the viewer's experience. Take a look at this example.
Viral content on the internet is gradually shifting from being image-based to video-based.
So, how can you achieve this? First, upload your prepared materials to the Generate interface and add them to the segments. Click the Edit button to enter the material editing space. Play the video to check if it aligns with the narration.
Viral content on the internet is gradually shifting from being image-based to video-based.
If it doesn't, select the material, use the split to cut the video, and then drag the edges to align the visuals with the narration. Once done, preview it.
Viral content on the internet is gradually shifting from being image-based to video-based.
Isn't the effect great? If you find that the video is too short, you can adjust the playback speed in the top right corner to match the video duration with the narration. Once you've made the adjustments, click Apply, and then click 3D Generate to see the result. Got it? Go ahead and give it a try.